sleeve. You make it harder to leave. You can't find nobody like me. I said I never would cheat. I was wrong. I know I was wrong.
What's up, everybody? We're back with another video, and today we're back with a little cooking video featuring my girl Cierra. Make sure you guys subscribe to her channel. So today we're basically gonna be cooking. It's called Cajun chicken Alfredo. We decided to cook this together just to do it because, you know, we just be bored or whatever. So,
and hungry.
Yeah, and hungry. I'm starving. So if y'all don't catch me talking a lot, it's because I'm really trying to get this over with to eat. I'm hungry. Like, I'm hungry. But so the first thing we can do, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, make sure you guys to her channel, comment down below, you know, all that good stuff, whatever. And I'm gonna have the recipe to this in the description box. So yeah, I also use this app called Tasty, so if you don't know now, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna start. So she is gonna cut up the sausage. So here you go. Get you this. And when you cut them up, just basically like cut them up like here, like these, like just yeah. And then you probably have to do one more, maybe two more. I don't know, but while you do that, I'm gonna have to cut. We have to do these ones. So we was gonna do shrimp pasta, but we changed our mind.
Pasta is my go-to.
No, for real. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a little garlic
How many
bread.
you think I should do?
Do two, and I'm gonna see. What was I gonna do? I usually just cut this. Did it open? Oh, what I was gonna do? Oh, we already washed our hands, y'all, so don't try it. Don't try it.
Corona well.
Corona who? But don't try it. But anyways, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I need something to cut on because I'm about to cut open some meat. That's what it was. Excuse me. You good.
So you said this too?
Yeah, do two and then see, we're gonna see how much it is, and then yeah. Let me put this over here. Yeah, this is gonna be so easy, right? So easy. So here's my chicken breast, by the way. Oh, the sausages we used was just some regular hot wing sausages, literally regular hot wing sausages. And then the chicken breast, we're just gonna use some chicken breast, you know? So y'all know what it is.
If y'all don't get in the kitchen cook, y'all might as well start.
Yeah, y'all might as well stop. Start. It's quarantine. Everybody in the house doing nothing. Nah, doing nothing. Cause we're doing a whole pot of this shit.
One more.
Nah, that's it. Because remember we added chicken.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so
doing all that. All
right,
right.
now that that's done, she gotta wait on me so I can cut the chicken breast real quick. Okay, let me cut this open. This in here right now. Oh, no, I'm gonna wait because I don't know if we're gonna. Dang. If y'all would have just seen what I just did, y'all would have called me stupid.
They totally did.
Okay,
I look thick in the kitchen.
Oh, like you.
Right. This is really a fast meal. Like,
Literally, like
you hungry,
y'all.
you want something to cook, like a home cooked meal, this be the first
This
thing.
is a
you have to
fast meal, y'all, for real.
do. And spaghetti too.
Yes, and spaghetti. Spaghetti is very quick.
That's my go-to. I barely even eat chicken bread. I love it.
I love this. With that good old garlic bread.
Okay. I like the one with the cheese, like the 3 cheese on bread.
Oh, you like that kind of?
Yeah.
Tired. Already. After you cut the meat up, really everything else super fast and easy.
Why you ain't fucking doing it?
Cause I don't have to get, like, you know, see. I be going by this little video shit right here.
Oh. The tasty food.
This shit got a lot of good shit. I done cooked a lot of shit off of that.
I follow them too, but they be making me hungry. I be hungry. Then when it's no food, I'm so full. And they gotta pass by my TL like.
Y'all do it to yourself, cause I'll turn that shit off.
Man. Babe, I have to watch that.
Not if I don't got no food.
They get me in a cooking mood though too.
So yeah.
Which is good because. How did she use me?
Hold on. Okay. We basically like to see how it tastes. I'm pretty sure it's good because it's cooked by me. Oh, feature my friend, but right now, actually, she's kind of sick a little bit. But she doesn't feel good, so. Yeah. This is good, though. Yeah, this is good, bro. We did that. Yeah, we did that. It's good. If y'all didn't know, she in the background, but they're trying to make me feel crazy. But I don't. And she's recording me. Like, this is so good. Oh my god. It's good for real, y'all. So, what I'm gonna do is, oh, let me show you what kind of drink I got. Hold on. Cause I got good old strawberry kiwi Arizona. You know what I'm saying? But if you like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to Cierra's channel. I don't know, get you a girl that can cook like me, you know what I'm saying? Period. But alright, y'all, I'm about to go. I'm about to finish effing this food up. And I'll see y'all later, bye.
I can't believe that we done. I know you missing my love. How can I gain back your trust? They say love dangerous. What's your love language? What's your love language? They say love dangerous.